Hi everyone, welcome to the YouTube channel. In this video, we will see how to add chapters to YouTube video. First, you have to go to the browser and then you have to search for the YouTube, and after that, you have to go to your YouTube channel. Once you're there, then you have to click on this option create, and then you can create a video. But if you already have uploaded a video, then you go to the YouTube studio and find the video of which you would like to change the chapters. Then click on the content and find the video of which you want to add the chapters. Then click on to the three dots and then click on added info, and in the description you have to add the chapters. First, you have to make sure the first chapter will always start from the zero. So you have to write 0:00, and you can give it a title, like you can give it start intro. You have to make sure the first one start with always zero. Then the other one can be start to any point, like 0:005, 0:11, whatever you want to add. And if you want to add the title with it, you can do it so that people get to know what you are mentioning about. You can add as many chapter as you want to, or you can add as per you have the information in your video. As my video duration is low, therefore I have added these ones. Then you can just simply click onto this YouTube icon to watch the video. And once you get there, in the description you see we have these chapters and these are in blue. Once I click onto it, you will see that it goes to that specific time. So that's how you can add chapters to YouTube video. I hope you find this video helpful and informative. Make sure to subscribe to the YouTube channel, and thank you so much for watching the video.